5 reasons to use ChatGPT for legal website content. Number 1. Accurate legal information. It has access to a vast amount of legal knowledge and can help answer common legal questions, explain legal concepts, and provide guidance on various legal matters. Number 2. User engagement. ChatGPT can engage users in interactive conversations, making the browsing experience more dynamic and informative. Number 3. 24/7 availability. ChatGPT can be available around the clock. This ensures that users can access legal information and guidance whenever they need it, regardless of the time zone or day of the week. Number 4. Cost-effective solution. Integrating ChatGPT on your website can be a cost-effective alternative to hiring additional staff or legal experts to provide information and support. Number 5. Efficient content creation. It can help create articles, FAQs, blog posts, and other informative materials related to legal topics. This can save time and effort for your content creation team. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.